Okay, class, no? So, subukan naman natin itong problem number 2 ng ating topic no, for today, yung accounting for bonds payable issued with share warrants. Okay, so ang requirement ng problem, prepare all the entries for 20x3 in connection with the bonds, including the exercise of the share warrants. No, so, same requirement ito no sa ating problem number 1 kanina. Okay? Pero iba lang no. Iba tong problem na to syempre no. So dito kasi sa problem na to, what if hindi given no? Hindi given yung fair value minus transaction cost. No? So paano kapag hindi given yung initial measurement no ng ating bonds payable? So on January 1, 20x3, DOMA company issued 12 million of 12% bonds payable maturing in 5 years. The bonds pay semi-annually on June 30 and December 31. No? The bonds include share warrants, okay, giving the bondholder the right to purchase 24,150 par value shares for 225 per share. So, nag-issue ng compound financial instrument si DOMA Company. And syempre, ang accounting for compound financial instrument is i-split natin, no? I-split natin ang liability component at equity component ng compound financial instrument. The bonds and warrants were issued at 180, no? 180. The value of the warrants at the time of issuance was 2,250,000. The market rate for the similar bonds without warrants is 10%. No? So, ibig sabihin, if the same bonds, itong 12 million na to ay in-issue, no, na purely bonds payable lang talaga siya, no? Or na purely bonds lang, no? Na purely bonds lang. Walang share warrant. 10% ang effective rate. No? The present value of 1 at 5% for 10 periods is 0.61391 and the present value of ordinary annuity of 1 at 5% for 10 periods is 7.7217. All share warrants were exercised on December 31, 20x3. So, konting recap tayo class no ng initial measurement, diba? Initial measurement ng mga financial liability. No? Ang initial measurement ng mga financial liability, fair value minus transaction cost. No? May mga instance na given ang fair value minus transaction cost, no? Kagaya nung sa problem number 1 kanina. No? Malinaw na binigay ang fair value minus transaction cost. Meron namang mga instance din na hindi siya given. Kagaya ng problem na to, no? Hindi given yung fair value ng bonds payable. So kapag ganyan class na hindi given, no? Okay, hindi given yung fair value minus transaction cost ng bonds, tayo ang magko-compute, no? Okay, tayo ang magko-compute. And yung fair value, kung maaalala nyo pa, no? Yung fair value minus transaction cost, yung fair value dyan, actually, ibig sabihin na, present value of future payments. No? Present value of future payments. So, given naman dito, no, yung mga relevant present value factors, at dahil hindi siya given, tayo ang magko-compute ng initial measurement ng bonds. No? Okay. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin tong statement na to no as initial measurement kasi the bonds and warrants were issued at 180. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin ito no kasi yung quotation na yan no is inclusive yan ng warrants no kaya hindi yan pwedeng gamitin. Okay, so tayo ang magko-compute no So, ano ba yung mga future payment dito, no? Okay. Future payment. Future payment. So, syempre, the face amount, no? The face amount na 12 million, no? Present value of future payments, no? So, lagay natin ang relevant present value factor. So, syempre, dahil lump sum ito ang gagamitin natin, no? 0.61391. So, therefore, this is the present value of future payments. Yan. Pag pinag-multiply natin yan, no? So, 12 million times 0.61391, 7,366,920. Okay? So, this is the future payment for the principal, no? Yung face amount na 12 million. And syempre, class, no? Bukod sa principal, meron pang payment, no? Meron pang payment na interest, no? The bonds pay semi-annually on June 30, no? And December 31. Yan. So, merong interest, no? Yung interest, future payment din yun, no? And that is 12 million. I-multiply natin ng 12% times 6/12. Kasi every semi-annual, no? So, that's 12 million times 12% times 6/12. That's 720,000. Okay, so relevant present value factor, syempre ito, no? Itong 7.72173 times the relevant present value factor, that's 5,559,646. So, aggregate nito, class, no? Yung aggregate nan, that is your fair value minus transaction cost, no? Yun na yung initial measurement ng ating bonds payable, no? Yun na yung initial measurement ng bonds payable. So, that's 12 million, no? That's 12,926,000. 926,566. Okay, so yan yung initial measurement, no, ng ating bonds payable. Yan yung kanyang fair value minus transaction cost. So, syempre, if we compare the initial measurement to the face amount, no, na 12 million, makukuha natin, no, yung premium on bonds payable. This is premium on bonds payable. 926,566. Okay? Ayan. So, bakit premium? Kasi mas mataas ang fair value minus transaction cost over the face amount. Okay? So, next natin is paghiwalayin na natin, no, yung liability component and equity component. Kasi meron na tayong amount, no, for the liability component, which is 12,926,566. So, the issuance price is 180 multiplied by the face amount. So, the issue price with warrants. So, that's 21,600,000. Ang composition ng 21.6, may liability yan, and syempre yung equity. No? Yung equity, syempre yung warrants, while the liability is yung bonds. No? Yung bonds. So, alam na natin yung sa bonds, no? So, out of 21.6 million, no? 12,926,566 dyan, no? Yung para sa bonds, no? Syempre, yung natira dyan, that is your equity, no? Yung para sa warrants, no? Which is 8 million, no? 8,673,434. Ayan. Okay, so na-split na natin, class, no? Na-split na natin yung 21.6 million. So, ito yung para sa liability or yung para sa bonds and yung para sa share warrants, 8,673,434. Okay? Ayan. So, pwede natin gawin, no? Pwede na natin gawin yung journal entry for January 1, 20x3. No? So, dito na lang, no? Yung journal entry for January 1, 20x3. So, syempre, debit cash. No? Magkano yung na-receive na DOMA company? 21.6 million. No? Credit bonds payable at face amount, that's 12 million. No? Face amount, 12 million. Credit premium, no? Premium on bonds payable. So, the premium is ito, no? 926,566. And credit share, acronym na lang class ha, share warrants outstanding, that's 8,673,434. Okay? So, ganyan class, no? Kapag yung hindi given ang fair value minus transaction cost ng bonds payable. So, tayo ang magko-compute nan. Ganito yung gagawin, no? Kunin mo ang lahat ng present value ng future payments. Future payments. Next, we have entries para sa remaining ng 20x3, no? Ayan. So, meron pa tayong entry for June 30, 20x3 and yung para sa December 31, 20x3, including the exercise ng share warrants. So, syempre class, no, ang interest is payable semi-annually. So, gagawa ako dito, no, ng amortization schedule. Date, we have interest expense, interest paid, amortization, and carrying amount. Okay. Date, interest, expense, interest paid, amortization, and carrying amount. So, January 1, 20x3, how much is the carrying amount ng bonds? How much is the carrying amount ng bonds? Siyempre, ito yun, no? Yung 12,926,566. So, June 30, 20x3, the interest expense, ang effective rate niya ay 10%. No? 10% yan. So, 10% ng carrying amount, no? 10% ng carrying amount, no? So, that's 12,926,566 times 10%. No? But take note na siya ay June 30. So, we need to multiply it by 6/12 pa. No? 6/12. Okay, so that's 646,328. Okay, I hope maliwanag class ha. No, kasi hanggang June 30 lang yung ating interest. No? So, interest paid. So, the interest or the nominal interest rate is 12%. 12%. So, 12% ng face amount, no, 12% ng face amount times 6/12. No? Okay, and that's 720,000. No? So, the difference no, the difference of 73,672. Yun yung amortization ng premium. No? And dahil carrying amount ito, no, papunta tayo lagi sa face amount. Kaya itong 73,000 ay not padagdag pala. Pabawas, no? Pabawas yan. Okay? Ayan. Carrying amount minus amortization. And that is 12,152,894. Okay, so pagkagawa na natin yung entry for June 30. So, debit, interest expense, what amount? Ito, no? 643, 328. No? Credit, cash for the interest paid, 720. And debit, premium on bonds payable for the amortization. 73,672. So, December 31, 20x3, syempre, carrying amount times 10% times 6/12 pa rin. No? Kasi 6 months lang yung pagitan na. No? From June to December 31. No? From June 30 to December 31. So, that's 642,645. No? The interest paid remain the same. No? So, difference nan is amortization. That's 77,355. Okay, so magagawa na natin yung entry for the interest sa December 31, 20x3. So, debit interest expense, 642,645. No, credit cash, 720. And yung debit, premium on bonds payable, 77,355. Okay? Ayan, so nagawa na natin yung issuance, yung interest. Yung last na entry natin is ito, yung pag-exercise ng share warrants. So, malino naman dito, class, no, yung number of shares. Yung number of shares, no, kasi 24,000. 24,000 shares. No? The bonds include share warrants giving the bondholder the right to purchase 24,000. No? So, in-exercise daw siya, no? So, debit. Okay. debit cash, that is 24,000 multiplied by 225 per share. $24 times 225, that's 5.4 million. That's 5.4. Credit ordinary share capital, so that's 24,000 times the par value, 150. No? 24 times 150, that's 3.6 million. And credit share premium, no, for the balance, no, 1.8. Okay, so dahil wala nang share warrants outstanding, kasi in-exercise lahat, no? Eh di wala nang share warrant outstanding. No? Na-exercise na lahat. So, debit, share warrant outstanding, credit share premium for the entire amount. 8,673,434. Okay? So, yan. Tapos na class, no? Yung ating problem number 2. Ito yung lahat ng entries na kailangan for 20x3. So, I hope, no, class, na meron kayong natututunan sa ating mga video lessons. No? And syempre, kung nakakatulong naman sa'yo itong video lessons na to, no? So, I hope na ipakita mo ang iyong appreciation, no, by pagko-comment dyan sa baba. No? And speaking of comments, so kung meron kayong mga questions pa relevant sa mga topic natin dito sa YouTube, no, i-comment nyo lang din dyan sa baba, no, pag meron kayong mga katanungan, no. So, pwede nyo rin i-comment yung inyong appreciation, no, kung nakakatulong sa iyo itong video na to, no, para at least mas inspired pa ako, no, na ituloy itong entire subject or entire course, no, na Intermediate Accounting 2. Yan. Okay, so next topic natin class, no, convertible bonds naman, no. Yan, yung convertible bonds payable naman.